Hello and welcome once again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing very well, and today's recipe is fries made in a different way. This is another method that I use and wanted to share with you. I hope today's recipe will please you, and as for the ingredients, I have 300 grams of potatoes here, which means just one potato. It originally weighed 320 grams, and after peeling it, 300 grams remained. I also have 60 grams of cornstarch, 10 grams of celery, and 10 grams of green onion leaves that I chopped, and if you do not have green onion leaves, use leek leaves instead. I also have a quarter teaspoon of salt and 30 grams of very thinly sliced carrots. All of these ingredients should be cut very thinly. I also have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and now I will start the preparation. I am going to cut the potatoes into pieces. I will cover them with water and boil them for 15 minutes. The potatoes have been boiled and drained, and I left them to dry slightly. Now I will continue the preparation by placing the potatoes in a bowl. While they are still hot, I will mash them well. I add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I mix everything until it becomes well combined. And there are no chunks left in the mixture. Now I add the 60 grams of cornstarch and the 10 grams of celery. Then I add 10 grams of finely chopped green onion leaves. And I add 30 grams of carrots cut into very small pieces. I also add a quarter teaspoon of salt without using too much. Then I mix all of these ingredients together. The mixture is now well combined. Next, I shape it into long pieces like this. This is the shape I want to achieve. I take a cup, fill a piping bag, and attach this nozzle. The same nozzle that is used for decorating cream. Then I start shaping the mixture like this. I cut with a knife because it makes the process easier. And try. To make all the pieces even in size. As you can see, 300 grams of potatoes produce quite a large quantity. Now I am ready to fry them after heating the oil in the pan. I begin frying the potato sticks. The heat should not be high, but between medium and low. Now I turn them over. The crispiness is already visible even before they are fully done. They look great, and now they are cooked. I will take them out like this. As you can see, they look excellent. Now I will fry the second batch. And continue in the same way until all the pieces are finished. Then I will show you the final result. This is the final appearance of our fries made with the piping bag method. As you can see, they turn out soft inside and crispy outside. Listen to that crunch as I break one open for you. Inside, they have not absorbed oil and remain dry and light. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more recipes.